Humans learn through experience. We interact with the world, make mistakes, reflect, and form an understanding of why things happen. We build mental models over time. AI doesn't do any of that. It doesn't learn by experiencing life, asking questions, or reasoning about consequences. And that difference matters more than people realize. Humans learn by understanding cause and effect. We connect events and explanations. When a child drops a glass, they learn why it breaks, not just that it breaks. AI doesn't form concepts like cause, reason, or intent. It processes information without meaning. There is no curiosity, no interpretation, no awareness. AI learns by detecting patterns in massive datasets. It consumes millions of examples, words, images, sounds, and looks for statistical relationships between them. If certain patterns repeat often enough, the model begins to generate outputs that match what it has seen. There is no insight involved. It's pattern recognition at scale. During training, AI adjusts internal parameters. These parameters are just numbers, billions of them, inside the network. Each number represents a tiny part of a statistical function. When the model makes a mistake, those numbers shift slightly toward a better configuration. What looks like learning from the outside is really just optimization from the inside. Feedback is what shapes model behavior. When an output matches the expected answer, the model strengthens that path. When it doesn't, it weakens it. This is the same principle that governs reinforcement learning, where models improve through trial and error. But even here, the improvement doesn't come from understanding outcomes, only from improving prediction accuracy. This explains why AI can perform tasks extremely well inside its trained domain and fail dramatically outside it. It doesn't truly generalize. It interpolates between examples it has seen before, and when it encounters something unfamiliar, the pattern breaks. Humans can adapt with reasoning. AI adapts only with data. Humans can learn abstract concepts with very little exposure. A child can see two different objects and understand that both are chairs, even if they differ in shape and color. AI often requires thousands of labeled examples for the same task. This is the trade-off between biological learning and computational learning. Humans have intuition and abstraction. AI has scale and repetition. New training techniques try to narrow this gap. Self-supervised models learn without explicit labels. Reinforcement learning adds trial and error dynamics. Multimodal training lets models connect words with images, sound, and video. These innovations make AI appear more human-like from the outside, but internally, nothing changes. There is still no understanding, no causality, and no meaning. AI doesn't understand concepts. It understands correlations. When AI generates a sentence, it isn't thinking about meaning or intention. It simply calculates which word is statistically likely to follow next. This can be incredibly powerful for tasks like translation, summarization, classification, and code generation. But it becomes dangerous when we assume the system understands what it is saying. AI isn't thinking like us. It's calculating. And that difference is the foundation of both its power and its limitations. When we understand how AI actually learns, we use it more effectively, and we trust it more cautiously. AI doesn't learn like humans. It never claimed to. It's a different kind of intelligence, and recognizing that difference is key to using it wisely.